Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play YouTube music in the background of your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone. Don't open the YouTube app just yet because background play doesn't work there for free user. In browser, go to www.youtube.com, then tap A icon in the top left corner of Safari and select Request Desktop Site. This lets you to play videos in the background. Find the music you want and tap play. Make sure it starts playing in the browser. Now when you switch to another app or even lock your phone, swipe up or press the side button to go to the home screen. If the music stops when you lock the screen, swipe down from the top right corner or open Control Center, tap the play button to resume the music, and that's it. You can now listen to YouTube music while browsing, chatting, or even when your phone is locked. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.